What's up, YouTube? It's Foster with Tech A Day, and we got a special one for you today. We got the VC Media Box, and this is special, and I am excited about this one for sure. But before we do that, gotta ask you for a like and subscribe. And also, Quincy and Troy, your cases are on the way. And guess what? The final two winners will be named today. So stick around to the end of this video. Now, we are going to have a email in the description if you're interested in doing this. Like I said, we're going to have very special sign up for this because we at the Tech A Day at the store will be selling these boxes, and we're also going to be having some subscriptions also. So let me know what you guys are looking for, especially if you're looking to cut the cord or you're just looking for, just different ways of getting your content. We got you covered. So without any further ado, let's see what we got here. But let's look at what we got. It's got Android 14. We got OTA upgrade support. Got an Amalogic S95YS 64 quad core ARM Cortex chip. Decent, but these things don't need to have great processors, just enough to run your, regular, media consumption stuff. G31 MP2 GPU processors, got 4 gigabytes of DDR3 RAM, 64 gigabytes of memory on there, HDMI 2.1. It's got got a LAN port on there. What else? Bluetooth 5.0. Looks like it's got 2 USB 2.0. Bluetooth remote, voice control. All right, let's see what comes in the box. And this is 8K Ultra HD, but ain't nothing really in HK. So this is just the box. Okay. Big black box. My man Floss would say, giggity. Oh, Floss is crazy. I love Floss. Big shout out to Floss, the OG. Been doing it for forever. All right, what else we got? Got to show respect to the OGs. That paved the way for some of us young guys to show us, that we look up to. Everybody looks up to. Power Chord. Who are some of y'all OGs? Some of the mentors. They ain't even gotta be OGs, but some of the other people y'all look up to. My other ones. Jay Will over at Smartphone Connections. One of my personal. This is a decent remote. Let's look at this remote though. Look at this. Oh, I'm gonna drop it. Decent remote. I mean, it's even got actual, built-in, connections and everything. So we're going to take a look at this. Now, we're going to see what this comes with. I don't want to promise too much because I don't know all the way if this is one of the boxes that comes with the channels and all that stuff, built into it or not. But it comes with an HDMI and everything already in there. And that's how it goes in there. But yeah, this is the box. This is the setup. We need some batteries. Okay, that's what comes in the box. I'm gonna get this hooked up to a TV, and then we are going to come back and see what it is on TV, and I'm gonna see how it works and everything, and tell you guys what I think. All right, we're back. So once you get it hooked up to the TV, it looks like there is a pairing process with the remote. The remote is also illuminated, which is nice. Oh, it got me, as you can see. All right. So you can see it's already got time zone. We'll just do auto. I'll pause right here, get this set up. All right, now we're connected. As you can see, it's doing its whole, looks like OS installation here real quick. You know, the whole, basically it's installing its whole operating system, basically. We'll see. I might pause this and come back. All right, now this is what you, once it's going, this is what you have. So you have everything set up. So I think this is heat line, VOD. So let's look at what this is. What is, okay, so this looks like these are, yeah, these are, like you said, as you can see over here to the left, this is for obviously educational purposes only. But as you can see, this is all the, these are all these channels. And so you know, the remote has channels. So you can put stuff at favorites. So these are all your, you know, your sports channels. So yeah, this is what's Live Ultra. Again, it's like the same. It's like the same type of set of things that you can have access to. So yeah, this is you have access to these channels. You can see series here. You have access. All this stuff is in here. Movies. Let's see what VOD Ultra is. So yeah, I'm gonna say I'm gonna say just from looking at this, this is a major go. I mean, this is good. I'm gonna tell you, I have been a Superbox user for years. I have cut the cord 5 years ago, and I have Superbox 2, and I have a 5. I have a couple 5, a 5 Pro. Um, I had a Sling box, I think it's called, that one, you know. But at this point, nothing has ever matched up to uh nothing has ever matched up to Superbox. And I can honestly say for the first time that something is on the same level, and I would dare say surpassed what the Superbox has to offer. And that would be this. I mean, this thing, from the remote to the interface to what the channels have to offer to what's already built into the device. Because if you know anything about how the Superbox operates, and you saw how this automatically just automatically set itself up with the Superbox, you got to go into the App Store. You got to go in, install stuff. This thing did it by itself. All you had to do was pair the remote. Google Play Store is here. Everything is here. This thing looks beautiful. Like, it is all here, ready for you to go. I mean, this thing is amazing. So, look, I'm gonna tell you right now, VSEEBOX. We'll have links in the description. This is the king right now of IPTV boxes at this point. And then it also has backup, so you can back up stuff, watch and have DVR all built in. Meaning this is a built-up box. Like, you cut the cord and use this. VSEEBOX, we're partnering with them. We'll have these available. So yeah, this thing is, we'll have some links. I don't know if we'll have links right away, but we'll have at least an email where you can hit me up with the email and we can get you set up with this. But yeah, at this point, like I said, Superbox, man, you've been beat at this point. This thing is amazing. I was not expecting this to be as amazing as it is, but this thing is absolutely amazing. Um, wow. I was not prepared for this. I thought, I'm not gonna lie, I thought it was gonna be kind of like a knockoff, like everything is. The Sling box is good, but it's kind of like a little bro to the to the Superbox. It's not up there, at the same level. User interface wise, this thing is better on every level than the Superbox in that category. I mean, this thing is going to be this is going to be my main thing. I was actually like, oh yeah, I'm gonna give this thing away. Nope, not happening. I'm keeping this one. Yeah, we will. They're going to send out other devices, and I promise you, we will do a giveaway of one of these. It ain't going to be this one because this was going to require further testing. And yeah, we're going to be giving more of these away, though, because they're going to be sending some away. But yes, please hit me up. These things are worth it to get. If you've ever been on the fence, if you're thinking about cutting the cord, man, with prices going up, everything, you saw what this thing has to offer. Hit me up. You saw what it can do. You saw it. So, man, this is Foster. This has been Tech a Day. I'm also going to put the last couple winners of the Thinborn case giveaway at the end of this. But this is, I mean, I would say I'm speechless, but I keep talking. But yeah, I'm blown away. This is amazing. But I'll talk to you guys later. Congrats to the winners. I'll be in contact. I'm gonna go I'm heading to the mailbox right now to mail off Troy and Quincy's cases. Congrats to those guys. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of this, and if you guys have other questions, let me know. But I'll talk to you guys later.